Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're diving headfirst into a world that fascinates us all. Dinosaurs. We think we know them, right? Towering giants, fearsome predators, gentle giants munching on leaves. But what if I told you there's so much more to these incredible creatures than meets the eye? Get ready to have your mind blown, because we're exploring some truly mind-boggling facts about dinosaurs that you probably didn't know. For starters, let's talk about color. For the longest time, we pictured dinosaurs in drab greens and browns, like living camouflage. But recent discoveries, particularly from fossilized melanosomes' tiny pigment-containing structures, are painting a much more vibrant picture. We're talking iridescent feathers, bold stripes, and even patterns that would have made them stand out in their environments. Imagine a velociraptor with a shimmering, peacock-like display, or a triceratops sporting striking facial markings. It completely changes how we visualize these animals. And speaking of feathers, the idea that all dinosaurs were scaly reptiles is a myth that's been thoroughly debunked. We now know that many dinosaurs, especially those in the theropod group, which includes Tyrannosaurus rex and Velociraptor, were covered in feathers. Some had simple, downy fuzz, while others sported complex, flight-ready feathers. This connection to birds is incredibly strong, and it's a constant reminder that the line between dinosaurs and modern birds is much blurrier than we once thought. Let's shift gears to size. We often focus on the colossal sauropods like Brachiosaurus, but did you know there were also incredibly tiny dinosaurs? Some were no bigger than a chicken, like Compsognathus. These little guys were quick, agile, and likely insectivores or small prey hunters. It's a fantastic reminder that evolution produces a vast spectrum of forms, even within the same broad group of animals. Now, let's consider their intelligence. While we can't directly measure dinosaur brains in the way we do with living animals, we can infer a lot from their fossilized remains. Some dinosaurs, particularly the smaller theropods, had relatively large brain cavities for their body size, suggesting they were more intelligent and capable of complex behaviors than we might have assumed. Think about pack hunting strategies or intricate social interactions. These were likely within their capabilities. And what about their sounds? We can only speculate, of course, but based on their anatomy, particularly the presence of syrinxes in some bird-like dinosaurs, scientists believe they could have produced a range of vocalizations. Forget the roars we see in movies. They might have chirped, trilled, or even made booming, resonant sounds. It's a fascinating thought experiment to imagine the soundscape of the Mesozoic era. Finally, let's touch on their lifespan. While we don't have definitive answers, studies of fossilized bone structures, similar to counting tree rings, suggest that many dinosaurs, even the giants, had relatively short lifespans compared to some modern large mammals. This implies a faster growth rate and a different life cycle than we might intuitively expect. It's truly amazing how much our understanding of dinosaurs is constantly evolving. Every new fossil, every new analytical technique, adds another layer to the incredible story of these ancient creatures. They were so much more diverse, complex, and vibrant than we ever imagined. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey into the lesser-known world of dinosaurs. I hope you found these facts as fascinating as I do. If you enjoyed this, please consider following along for more explorations into the wonders of our world. See you next time.